This is HP Deskjet Ink Advantage 5075. Cartridge number is 652 black, 652 color. Wi-Fi, print, scan, copy, touch screen display, print from mobile application. The working Windows is Mac, Windows 10, Windows 8.1, Windows 8, Windows 7, 32 or 64-bit, Windows Vista 32-bit, Windows XP, SP3 32-bit. Also working from mobile devices, Apple and Android. 652 cartridge number, color approximate 200 page. 652 black cartridge, approximate 360 page. Okay, open. Include a user guide paper, how to print from mobile and how to connect to computer. Okay, then next ink cartridge black and color, power cord, user guide and driver CD. Okay. And printer. This is power button, this is display, and this is power cord port, this is USB port. This is photocopy and scanning area. This is paper feeder. It will adjust for paper size, maximum up to A4. Okay. Okay. First connect the power. Okay. Power on. Select language. Okay, install the cartridge. Cartridge install from here. First open here. The first one, this is black, this 4 color. Then insert the first black like this, then close, then color, insert like this, then close. Okay, then close the door. Load paper in paper tray. Okay. This paper tray maximum 100 page. Okay, feed the paper, then close the door. Paper says okay. Align the cartridge. Okay. Then first lift the lid, place the alignment of face down on the front corner of the glass, close the lid, then press scan. This for better quality. Okay, first to open the scanning area, then this print face down like this. Okay, then close the door. Scan the alignment page. Okay, scan. Alignment is successful. Then press OK. Printer is ready to work. Copy, scan, setup, help. Easily print email, setup. Okay. This is from print from mobile information. Status of Wi-Fi direct print guide. Okay. This is Wi-Fi wireless printing from laptop. This is setup information. Starting guide like this. Okay. Then how to photocopy the paper. The first one, this page face down. Okay, arrange from this corner, then close the door. First one, select the copy option, then black or color. Then first we select start black. Okay, copying. This is R by black. Okay, we select start color. C print black and color, all color. the same paper. This printer company recommended the duty circle monthly up to 1200 page